Hey, it's Josh with Hardy Brothers Outdoors and Hardy Brothers Product Reviews. I was given this ultrasonic warm and cool mist humidifier. It's model Pro-777 from HuPro. And this thing looks like it's pretty high tech, so we're going to get it unboxed, set up, see what's in the box. Just a couple quick things about it. It says ultra quiet, ultrasonic operation, ideal for babies, small children, and other sensitive sleepers. Sleep mode protects your sleep at night. Auto shut off for added safety. Built-in essential oil diffuser. Self-regulating evaporative system. Superfine mist generated by 3 billion vibrations per minute. 360-degree rotatable nozzles. Ideal for big rooms up to 500 square feet. Runs up to 30 hours per filling. It's got a 12-hour timer, a 4-liter capacity water tank, remote control for extra convenience, ceramic filter to purify and soften water that does not need to be replaced, requires little to no maintenance outside of cleaning the unit, and it's a high-quality BPA-free ABS plastic body with a modern, stylish look. It says cool and warm mist, automatic humidity control, and built-in sensor. Complete a control slider for up to 5 mist output speed levels. LED screen with a touch panel and digital humidity and temperature display, and antibacterial plasma and ultraviolet functions. Sounds nice. The one thing that the brand did tell me was use distilled water, and that's highly recommended. It will greatly extend the life of this. So we'll see what those are here. We'll take that packaging out, lift it out of here. That looks like everything. Let's get it opened up. It is nice and small. I've got a couple at home that seem to be quite a bit bigger than this. So let's get the tape off here. I do like the compact design. And let's open. Let's see here. That's where the diffuser, look like that might be where that goes. Open it up. You can pour right into the top without opening it. Here's the container that comes out. A little piece of foam in there to make sure that comes out. So, yeah, let's check this baby out. I'm going to go ahead and pour this full gallon of distilled water in there. Got a max line up here so you know where you can fill to. So that's pretty close to full. So 1 gallon, I guess, is 3.78 liters. So we're about close there. All right. It says to go to the front goes there. Let's go ahead and plug this in. This must be the Humidistat back here. All right, nice digital display, if you can see that there. So while that's firing up, I'm going to take a look at what we got here. There's a Open Me envelope. 1 year warranty, free replacement. They have a magnet with all their contact information. That's pretty cool. And as I mentioned, this you can rotate where you want that. So it looks like it goes off at a bit of an angle, if you can see that there. Let's see here, we're on the max. Humidity's at 30% is what it's reading right at the moment. 73 degrees. Can't read that without my glasses. There we go. There's some sort of free gift, and then a message from the CEO and founder, Olga Adams. It's nice because that's actually who sent this to me, was Olga. Thank you, Olga. And we have our manual. So I'm going to have to dive into that, get a little bit smarter about that. There is a little brush for cleaning of maybe this filter on the back where it must be what that's for, and on the side there. And then we have the remote control. Pull the tab out of there, so we have that. Let's see here. Change that over to warm. Mist level. Man, you can hardly hear this thing running at all. This is nice. So, pretty impressed with what I'm seeing here. Like I said, I really like the small design and the very quiet operation. So there's all kinds of different things here. Helps you with sleep, relieves cold and flu symptoms, prevents headaches, relieves dry skin, reduce allergy symptoms. There's all kinds of stuff here. As I mentioned, there's an aroma tray down here. I'll have to figure out how that works. Have to figure out how to get that out of there. Not that we'll probably use that, but you know, when you're sick, you can use some mint or menthol type of stuff. Looks like that just pulls out, but now that I have it full, I'm not going to mess with it. Well, yeah, so anyway, we use distilled water. We're going to keep using this, but so far I'm really impressed with it. The quiet operation, the nice design, the fact that it does hot and cold, and yeah, we're going to learn a little bit more about it. I'm not an expert on humidifiers at all, but so far looks like a really nice setup. Thanks a lot, Olga at HuPro. Appreciate you sending us this to test out. We're going to keep using it. Thanks.